Hi friends, welcome to AWS series. So today we are going to discuss about some interesting topic about simple notification service. Okay, this is one of the service provided by the AWS. In the free tier, you can use simple notification service, and the terminology will come about the topic and subscriptions. It is very important for the email notification. Why? Because this topic will be depend on another session. So before that, I want to clear about how you need to configure your email notification by using the topic and subscription. Okay, what's the terminology when I say in the free tier limit up to 1000 email notifications you can use. After that they will charge for you. Okay, so here the topic is nothing but a producer. The producer and consumer, you hear this terminology. Okay, producer will send one message and this consumer will be a lot of people will be there. Okay, each consumer can take that message, they can listen. That is called the topic. If you say here, if I am saying event, sorry, it's not even, it is a event producer will send message to one single topic. So if you want to use any subscription related things like lambdas or s3 or email notification, anything, you need a single topic. Okay, for this topic you will send some message. Okay, when I say subscription, the name as like a consumer, the terminology is some little bit here different. That's it. Receiver. Okay, receiver, he will listen, keep on listen the topic. Okay, by this topic if anyone sends something, I will listen that part. Okay, some real time example. Every day you are using AWS account, right? I have a small diagram, publisher and subscriber. You created AWS account, you are using all the services available in AWS like S3, EC2, RDS, auto scaling, whatever you used. Everywhere you can create a topic also. That means it's like a alarm. Okay, so what the payment, what it will do, it will update the billing dashboard. Okay, once this dashboard is updated, okay, you can configure a topic. Why? Because if you configure a single topic, what I will do, I will create a simple topic, AWS billing alarm. Okay, I will create one topic. Inside the topic I have a subscriber, that means like a subscription. Okay, I have a subscription email notification. If you subscribe, whenever you are doing a billing alarm, you can get the email notification. Okay, till how you need to configure, how you need to give your email id, how you need to confirm, in this video I will explain about this. Once you are good this topic, then we'll go for the CloudWatch. Okay, I hope you guys are clear till now. Okay, let me open my AWS account. Please make sure guys, whenever you are using any service, once your service is your working is completed, then please delete your service instantly, otherwise they will charge for you. Okay, so one of the guy already faced this issue. Why? Because he created a lot of instances, he forgot to delete. So what will happen, the billing it came around 2000 on that month. Why? Because the free tier, if it is crossed, they will charge. So the lucky point is he configured the billing alarm at the billing dashboard. So he received the email alert, then he paid that one. Now it is good. So for you guys also, if you are using anything, after usage is done, just please delete everything from your AWS account. Okay, so let me quickly start. On the services tab, if you go down here, there is a application integration. If you say here application integration, there is a simple notification service. Click on simple notification service. Okay, here publish and pub and sub messaging for microservices and serverless applications. So right now we are using very simple email notification. Later we'll cover these topics, no problem. Okay, here you can create your topic name. What I will do, I will create one topic as AWS billing topic. I'm giving one topic, create next. Okay, here you can provide the display name. I will use the same. Okay, topic AWS billing, I will say alarm topic, ALARM. Okay, and everything is the default options. Right now you no need to worry, just click on the create topic. Okay, now your topic is created. This is your ARN and this is a display name. Okay, once you created the topic, okay, so if you go for the dashboard, billing dashboard, okay, now right now for me there is no charge. Okay, these are the free tier usage limit. Now this is a billing. Whenever you this billing came around beyond €1, you want to create a email notification. Okay, that how you need to do SNS, you need to know about that part. Okay, now you created the topic, and if you take here there is a subscription, you can create a subscription here. Here if you remove here, it will be drop down, it will show you AWS billing alarm topic. Here you can provide the protocol name. These are all the subscription. Okay, then here you HTTP, HTTPS, email, JSON, SQS, Lambda, SMS, everything. These are all the subscriptions for your topic. Right now I need a subscription of email. Okay, here you need to provide your email ID. Okay, I will give my email ID Java Express channel@gmail.com, and this is the topic, this is the email ID I want to configure. Okay, and create the subscription. Okay, now it is showing pending confirmation. Okay, once SNS is configured, just go here. I got one see subscription confirmation. When I click the confirmation, see subscription is confirmed. Just go and refresh here. Okay, see it is subscription is configured. Now it is confirmed. Your topic is, your subscription is created. This is simple SNS notification. In the next tutorial, how you need to configure alarm for with this email, I will show you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.